Hello children of class 5, welcome to social studies class. Chapter 1, Human Evolution. Previous class we have learned domesticating animals and invention of wheel. All of you understood now? Today we are going to learn the sources of information. What are sources? Sources are evidences or things used by the people in the past. These sources give us valuable information about the past. Historians or archaeologists visit the site and they collect the sources and get information about the past. Okay. Some examples of sources of information are fossils and bones, pottery and utensils, cave paintings, tools, pit houses. Let's learn each one of them in detail. Okay. Fossils and bones. What are fossils? Fossils are preserved remains of animals or plants from the past. Human first evolved in Africa and much of human evolution occurred there. The fossils of early humans who lived between 2 and 6 million years ago come entirely from Africa. The fossils also help to learn about the physical appearance of early humans and the changes that followed. The size of the bone, its shape, and markings left by the muscles tell us how early humans moved. Okay? Then pottery and utensils. Pottery, previous class you have learned pot, okay, and utensils are the things used by the people in the past. Handmade as well as wheel-made pots have been discovered from many sites. They were of different shapes and sizes. Some of them were even decorated. They may have been used for storing grains, cooking food and storing water. That we learned from the previous class the uses of pots. Then cave paintings. Several paintings have been found on the cave walls, rock shelters and on slabs of stones. These paintings depict their activities of hunting, dancing and other daily chores. Paintings shows the different activities of early humans. Okay. They also provide information on the things used by them like tools, utensils, jewelry, etc. Then tools. Tools we have already learned mainly stone tools were used by the early men to hunt animals. Tools made of stones, later bones and horns of animals have been found. Majority of the tools were made up of stones. They were hand axes, scrapers, borers, cleavers, etc. They were polished tools. Tools made of bones were harpoons for fishing, needles for sewing, arrowheads, spearheads and daggers. These were the important tools. Okay, harpoons, sewing, arrowheads, spearheads and daggers. Okay. Then pit houses. What are pit houses? The houses made in the pit. Houses made in the pit are called pit houses. For this, circular pits were dug in the ground. Their sides were plastered with mud. They were narrow at the top and wide at the base. They had steps to lead them down. Ashes, charcoal, pottery, stone or clay ovens have been found in these pit houses. Okay, understand all of you? Pit houses, tools, cave paintings, pottery and utensils, fossils and bones. All these are the things used by the people in the past. These are the different sources of information. All of you understood this? Then, one question answer is left, no? Question number 8. Name the various sources of information of early man's life. The answer is in page number 14 and 15. Okay. Only write the name of this various information, sources of information. I will read the answer. Fossils and bones, pottery and utensils, cave painting, tools, pit houses. Clear? The answer of 8 is fossils and bones, pottery and utensils, cave painting, tools, pit houses. Okay? Learn all these question answer. Write in copy and learn. Okay? Bye.